Hello, I'm Amit Nerurkar, and today we are going to focus on data link layer protocols. So, elementary data link layer protocols. There are three protocols that we would be focusing today, which are very simple to understand. So, the first protocol that I'm talking about is known as stop and wait protocol. Now, as the name says, stop and wait protocol, I'll send a frame, I'll send a segment, I'll send a packet, I'll wait till I get the acknowledgement, and then only I'll send the next set of segment. So here I have sent S1. Now I'll wait. I'll stop. I'll wait. I'll not send the further segment. I'll wait for an acknowledgement. Now when I got an acknowledgement, I'll send the next set of segment. And in this manner, again I'll wait for an acknowledgement. It means that I have received S2 and I'm expecting the next segment as S3. And this is how your stop and wait protocol exactly works. Next protocol that we need to understand is go back N. So for example, I sent S1, then I sent S2, then I sent S3, then I sent S4, then I sent S5, and then somewhere I realize there is an issue in S3. So now what happens is I'll send an acknowledgement that go back till S3. Whatever segments I have received from S3, after S3, I would be discarding it. So in this case, all of the segments like S3, S4, S5 would be discarded. And I will send a negative acknowledgement saying that I send me S3 and all of the segment you sent after S3. So now your client would again send S3, S4, S5. And ultimately I have received all the five segments properly. Rather, it's a data link layer, so I would use the word frame. And then finally, I would expect the next S6. But here, due to this go back N property, it is going to cause a lot of traffic. So the next protocol which is designed is selective repeat, which is very similar to the previous one. I have sent S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and there is issue only in S3. So as the name says, selective repeat, I'll send an acknowledgement, and now I would the client would only retransmit S3. As in case of the previous example in go back N, I had to transmit S3, S4, S5 again, but here I'll only transmit S3. I have received the S3 in a proper format, and the next acknowledgement would be for S6. So here, due to this feature of selective repeat, only the requested segment needs to be retransmitted again. So this was all about the elementary protocols of data link layer. For more concepts videos of computer network, subscribe to my channel Amit Nerurkar. Hit the bell icon to get more updates. This is Amit Nerurkar signing off. Thank you.